Welcome to InfaMinutes. We take problem on bending stresses. A problem statement is a symmetrical section 200 mm deep has a moment of inertia of 2.26 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter to the power 4 about the neutral axis. Determine the longest span over which, when simply supported, the beam would carry a uniformly distributed load of 4 kN per meter for the entire span. And this they have asked if the stress due to bending does not exceed 125 meganewton per meter square. So we first draw the figure for the section and the loading diagram of the beam. So this is a rectangular section which is a symmetrical section about its centroidal x-axis whose depth is 200 mm and no information is given about the width of the section, but its moment of inertia about the neutral axis is given as 2.26 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter to the power 4. And this is the loading diagram of the beam. We have this beam which is simply supported at point A and B and is subjected to a uniformly distributed load W of 4 kN per meter. We need to determine the span L of the beam. First we show the two support reactions at the support A and B. VA and VB is equal to WL by 2 since your beam is symmetrical and the loading is on the entire span. Next we note down all the given data. So we've been given the moment of inertia of the section IXX about the neutral axis is equal to 2.26 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter to the power 4. So if we convert it into mm to the power 4, we have 22.6 into 10 to the power 6 mm to the power 4. So we multiply it with 10 to the power 12 so as to get this in mm to the power 4. Also they have been given that the maximum bending stress must not exceed 125 meganewton per mm square. So your sigma B max is equal to 125 meganewton per meter square. Now this is nothing but megapascal, so we can write in Newton per mm square as 125 Newton per mm square, since 1 megapascal is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. So in the problem we have been asked to find the length or span of the beam so that the bending stress does not exceed the 125 megapascal for a given uniformly distributed load of 4 kN per meter for the entire span. So now let's solve the problem. For a given vertical loading of a horizontal beam, the beam will be subjected to sagging moment, where layers above the neutral axis will be subjected to compression and the layers below the neutral axis will be subjected to tension. So if you draw the bending stress variation diagram for the given rectangular section, we see that above the neutral axis at a distance of yc max equal to 100 mm, we have compressive stress as maximum, whereas at the same distance below the neutral axis at a distance yt max equal to 100 mm, we have tensile stress as maximum. Since a rectangular section is symmetrical above the centroidal x-axis, we have sigma c max is equal to sigma t max. So for a given beam, we write the equation bending moment maximum is equal to moment of resistance of the beam. So for a simply supported beam with uniformly distributed load over entire span, the bending moment maximum is given as WL square to the power 4, and this is equal to moment of resistance of beam is given as sigma B max upon Y max into IXX. This is of course for bending of beam about XX axis. So if your bending stress maximum is your sigma C max, so your Y max will be your YC max. If your bending stress maximum is your sigma T max, so your Y max will be your sigma T max. So upon substituting the values, we get your W, which is 4 kN per meter. If we convert it into Newton per mm, it will still remain same, 4 multiplied by L square upon 4, and this is equal to your bending stress maximum is 125 Newton per mm square upon Y max. If you see, Y max is same for both compression as well as tension, which is equal to 100 mm, and this is multiplied by moment of inertia of section about the centroidal x-axis multiplied by IXX, whose value is already given in the problem, which is 22.6 into 10 to the power 6. So upon solving this, we get the value of L is equal to 1680.77 mm. So this is equal to 1.68 meter. So this is the span of the beam over which a uniformly distributed load of 4 kN per meter can act over the entire span so that the maximum bending stress does not exceed 125 meganewton per meter square or 125 Newton per mm square. So this is our answer. With this, our problem is solved. Thanks for watching in 5 minutes.